In the heart of southern Africa, Zimbabwe's political landscape is shifting, molding, and transforming. The nation, known for its rich culture, vibrant wildlife, and breathtaking landscapes, is currently at a political crossroads. The struggle for power, democracy, and freedom is more intense than ever. It all began with the birth of a new political party, the Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, spearheaded by Nelson Chamisa. This was a beacon of hope for many, a promise of change, and a call for a new Zimbabwe. But the journey wasn't to be smooth sailing. The year 2024 marked a series of events that would dramatically alter the course of Zimbabwe's political trajectory. The ruling party, ZANU-PF, known for its firm grip on power, began a tactical maneuver to hijack the CCC. The strategy was stealthy, methodical, and cunning. First, there were the attempts to discredit Chamisa and his party. The media was flooded with propaganda, painting the CCC as a threat to national stability. The message was clear: Chamisa was the enemy. Then came the infiltration. Members of ZANU-PF began to secretly join ranks with the CCC. They posed as loyal members only to sow discord and mistrust within the party. The unity of the CCC began to crumble from within. The final blow was the legal battle. ZANU-PF launched a series of lawsuits aimed at crippling the CCC financially and legally. The goal was to render the party powerless, unable to contest in the upcoming elections. And just like that, the CCC was hijacked. The beacon of hope seemed to flicker and dim, but not extinguish. However, the story doesn't end here. The question on everyone's lips is, what is Chamisa's next move? In the face of adversity, Chamisa remains resilient. He continues to rally his supporters, vowing to fight for a democratic Zimbabwe. Despite the setbacks, the CC remains a significant player in Zimbabwe's political scene. To summarize, the political journey of Zimbabwe has been one of intense struggle, cunning strategies, and undying resilience. The birth of the CCC, the hijacking by ZANU-PF, and the continued fight of Nelson Chamisa are all crucial elements of this narrative. As Zimbabwe continues to navigate its political landscape, one thing remains clear: the fight for democracy is far from over. The future of Zimbabwe hangs in the balance, and the world watches with bated breath.